أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
حتى إذا جاء أمرنا وفارت النور قل نحمل فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول وما آمن معه إلا قليل.
Until, when our command came, and the volcano erupted, we said, board into it a pair of every kind, and your family, except those against whom the sentence has already been passed, and those who have believed. But those who believed with him were only a few.
وقال اركبوا فيها بسم الله مجريها ومرساها إن ربي لغفور رحيم.
He said, embark in it. In the name of Allah shall be its sailing and its anchorage. My Lord is indeed forgiving and merciful.